Hi, I'm Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll practice words that begin with T. Want to sound American? You can do it. SpeechModification.com. In American English, when a word starts with T, we use an aspirated T. This means we say the T sound and release a puff of air. Try it on some words. Take, talk, top, tell, 10, time. Make sure you can feel the air. You can put your hand in front of your mouth to feel it. Take, talk. If your language uses an unaspirated T at the start of words, like in Spanish, te amo, or Russian, dout, you will likely have the error pattern of using an unaspirated T in English. So when you say to or time, it sounds like tu or time. Because we don't use unaspirated T at the start of words in English, American listeners might think you're using a D sound and saying do or dime. To correct this error, try the T sound by itself with a nice puff of air. T, t. Then try it in words. To, time. Another difference you might be making with your T sound at the start of words is using a different tongue position than American English speakers. In many languages, the T sound is made by putting the tongue against the front teeth. This is called a dentalized T. But in English, we place the tongue on the alveolar ridge, which is on the roof of the mouth just behind the teeth. I'll say some words using the dentalized T and then the American alveolar T. See if you can hear the difference. Top, top. Talk, talk. 10. The second way I said the words is the way Americans say the T at the start of words. So, when practicing initial T, the most important thing to work on is making sure that you use the puff of air, so Americans hear your sound as a T and not as a D. Then, if you really want to refine your speech and get that American sound, work on making sure that your tongue is not touching your teeth when you say the T sound.